Good morning, brothers and sisters of Leaf. How are you doing today? Doing a factory tour blend, sun grown. Pairing it up with Wakey Wakey from Java Factory. First time having a Wakey Wakey. Hopefully it workies. Anyway, what cigar are you smoking today? Are you pairing it up with your favorite beverage? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. If you would, please. It's not my first time having a Perdomo factory tour blend. Excuse me. And it definitely won't be the last. It's probably starting to rank up there in my top 5. I get to start in the gym tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. Yeah, I'll be doing treadmill daily. About a half hour, 45 minutes a day till I can build my stamina up. Which I don't have a whole lot of that. Went out going out tomorrow after the workout and going to Menards in Barbersville. Picking my brother Bill Bean in Missouri. Gonna be picking him up a few neck caps. He hopefully he doesn't watch the video beforehand. I'll be stuffing them in a box and shipping them down to him. Hopefully today found you to be well. As you can see, I'm sitting right here drinking my coffee, smoking my cigar. Coffee smokes. But yeah, if you get a chance to get the factory tour blend, uh, Perdomo, sun grown, uh, get it. And the Wakey Wakey coffee was gotten at Menards. Uh, when we were there on Saturday. Anyway, uh, stay blessed, stay smoky, and we'll see you tomorrow.